Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are just seeing us for today, we are welcoming you in Biamuta Igbo. Here we teaches people how to write, how to speak and read Igbo language. We also talks about things that concerns Igbo in general, especially Igbo culture. The last time, remember we said we'll be having two classes. One will be English class and the other will be Igbo class. So today we are to have our first English class. Without wasting much of our time, we'll be going straight to what we have today. We didn't get any question from anybody today. Though it's always good when you people ask questions in the comment section so that we will be answering those things you don't know concerning Igbo. So today we are to talk about Igbo alphabet. Igbo alphabet. We have already touched it the other time, but we have to revisit it for the sake of those that joined new. We got a good number of followers recently, so for the sake of the new members, we have to touch the Igbo alphabet again. There are three things that is very important to know in Igbo alphabet. One, it's important that you know that Igbo alphabet has 36 letters of alphabet. Secondly, it's also good to know that it has 8 vowels and 28 consonants. As we are going down, you'll be seeing vowels in two forms. You will see them in the A group and A group. And also in the consonants, you will see the double consonants and the single ones. You will also see where me and ni serves as vowels and where they serves as consonants. So, but today we'll be touching the letters of alphabets in general. So without wasting time, the first letter of Igbo alphabet is letter A. A. I want you to have a pen and paper somewhere, or if you can be writing it down. As it's showing to your screen, you'll be seeing the exact letter and be jotting it down so that you can practice it on your own. Because once you are used to this alphabet, it will be easier for you to learn how to speak Igbo. It will be easier for you to pronounce Igbo words because you know the right letters to use. So get your pen and paper ready so that you can be moving. So I'll be calling from the first letter here, and I won't stop again. So the first one is letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, H, W, H, I, E, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, Ng, W, Ny, O, O, P, R, S, Š, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. We'll go one more again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, H, W, H, I, E, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, Ng, W, Ny, O, O, P, R, S, Š, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. So these are the 36 letters of alphabet. So I want us to be familiar with this. The next class, we will now give you 28 consonants, or maybe we'll start with the vowel sound. But any of them, just know that next class we will do either 8 vowels and their explanations and what they works, and or we talk of these 28 consonants. So remember that I said it before, that what I'm bringing to you is the fundamental Igbo, that we are starting from the foundation, what will guide you to really learn how to speak this language and be good in it. Not only learning how to speak it, but to know things, the key things in Igbo language and the alphabet in general. So we will stop here for today, and for those that prefer the Igbo version, the next video will be for Igbo. So thank you, and keep following. Remember to share our videos to your family, your friends, people that need to learn how to speak Igbo. Share the video with them, and do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and remember to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we drop a new class. Thank you, and thank you.